All right, lots happened since we last talked. Number one, it's 68 here. Number two, I'm back out here. Number three, you guys saw whatever it was. So let's get down to testing out that fantastic tool. Now, fantastic tool that was sent to us is a welder from Sefaspe. It's called the ARC200. ARC200 Pro. That's the one. Strike that. Reverse it. Anyway, what we're going to do, we're going to get right to it. We're going to test this thing. We're going to show you what we think, tell you what we think, and show you how this works out. I already have it unboxed, already ready to go. Stick around. Right there. Stinger. I don't know what I'm doing with that yet. We don't need that. All right. I'm gonna get some things set up. We're gonna do some welding right now. All right, we are ready-ish. I got a helmet, right? Yep, got a helmet. Yeah. Got a helmet, got some metal, got a stick. Yep. Oh, yeah. Okay. We're going to use this guy right here because it was on the floor. Now, I got it set at 70 amps. This is about a quarter. 3/16. Oh. So, we're going to get right down to the Sefaspe-ness of it right here. Already got my clamp hooked up. It is 1 knot right here. And at 110, it's a 110 and 220. At 110, it'll go to 155. We're going to bring her down to about 70. We're just going to make some sparks right now. Ready? Move on. Welding. That easy, man. Oh, now you know why we throw that thing away? Boom, right there. Fill it in again. Hit it again. Ready. Now, we know it's going to be hot, right? let it cool down. We'll check it out. I really like this machine. I really do. I don't know why I went over there. Let's weld again. Got the same setup as before. Everything went together the same as the other ones I've showed you. Still using the 6013 because, you know, that's what I have. Now I just laid a couple of beads down there kind of sloppy, but I wasn't following anything. I was just using a flat plate. So I'm going to try it again right now. So it'll cool off, we'll show you. There we go. They're hot. You know how I know? Because I just burned my glove-ish a little bit. Right there. Getting better every time. It's all about practicing, honestly. That's what you gotta do. You know what? I'm gonna clean up a little bit. We're gonna tell you what we think here. All right, look. Sefaspe welders. We really do enjoy working with them a lot. They're super great. They want us to show the product because what we're learning just like everybody else is learning. I mean, we're not an expert about anything. Not even a little. So the fact that this is so darn easy to use is just fantastic. One, you saw how quick it was steady, right? Just arcs real fast. Man, that's hot. I actually had to turn this down because it was popping my safety on the extension cord. Now, yes, you should always plug this in, but anyway, the ARC200 Pro from Sefaspe. I will have a link down in the description. I'll tell you what, man. This is good. This is just a really good machine, and it is 100% honest paint speed. Honest. Honest Paint Speed Shop approved. You know how I know? Because it says so right there. Sefaspe welders, man. I'm telling you. You need to go check them out. If you want a nice quality machine at an affordable price, you can't beat it. And this is one of their newer ones that they have just come out with. Hopefully, we'll be continuing to check out more of them. They do have a helmet and they do have some wire and stuff like that too. So hopefully the relationship will keep going and we can keep showcasing these awesome products for you. Like I said, check them out. Video's all done. Hope you enjoyed this this quick review on our Sefaspe ARC200 Pro. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep on wrenching. Have a great day. Bye.